What's up guys, this is Dennis with Luke Zion Jewelry. Thank you so much for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a new chain that I have on the website that you typically have not seen being sold in any other website, or you probably haven't seen it being worn on the streets. And so I'm happy to say that I'm glad to bring this into the Luke Zion Jewelry collection. And so that is the Heshe design with a extra flair of a domino style on this chain. So guys, before I start guys, I just want to say a special thanks to every single one of you guys that have been watching the videos, hitting the like button, subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate you guys. And if you can, like always, put a wave emoji in the comments below, just letting me know that you hit the like button. I really appreciate you guys. So let's go ahead and move on. Another thing that I always like to mention is that this specific chain, the domino chain, is solid sterling silver 925. It is directly imported from Italy. It's manufactured in Italy, and so I like to get that out of the way. All right guys, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. So I did a few B-roll shots here to give you guys an idea on how this chain actually looks like. It's a unique chain. It does have this domino style look to it. Look, the Heshe design has been around for a very long time, but I'm glad that I was able to bring this domino style to it, which gives it more of an extra flair. The chain actually carries a good, nice weight to it. It's not a flimsy chain. It does carry some nice heavy weight to it depending on your length. So I do recommend go check out the website, take a look at the length and the weight of each length. It's gonna give you an idea on how much weight is gonna be on the neck. All right guys, so across the neck I am wearing a 22 inch with a 24 inch. Just for reference, I want to give you guys an idea on how it looks like across the neck, across the chest. This chain actually gives you a nice shine to it. It's not a dull chain because it does have some nice sharp diamond cuts on it, and it's kind of giving it more of a mirror finish, right? So not just the cuts, but also that mirror flat finish that you're going to see on the chain. So another thing about this chain guys is that this chain is sturdy. If you take a look at the links, the way that they're interlocked with each other, the link is pretty strong and sturdy. Compare it to something like the rock chain, right? That is kind of more on the flimsy side. Not only that guys, but it's going to add a very unique style to your jewelry chain collection. And so again, you're not going to see this one typically being worn, and you're probably haven't seen this one being sold anywhere else. So it makes it a little bit more unique, makes it a little bit more sought after. It kind of gives you more of that exotic type of feel when it comes to this domino chain. And so guys, I wanted to make this video very short. I just want to say thank you for every single one of you guys that watch the video all the way to the end. If you can, put a fire emoji in the comments below, just letting me know that you watched this whole video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.